My name is Lamont Marshall. I've been with Limitless Male for 6 months. I'd like to think of Limitless Male, even though it is a medical clinic, you're not treated like that. I know when I go and see my personal family physician, I feel more like a number. It's not like Limitless Male where when I come in here, people know your name. You know, people talk with you, they say hi, they talk about experiences outside of here that you can relate to. You know, they're focused only on males. You know, they're not focused on kids like your family physician, they're not focused on females. And a lot of this just comes gradually over time with age. If you're experiencing any symptoms that just don't align with, you know, how you want to be, where you want to go in life, then I would come to Limitless Male and at least have a free assessment done. If you've tried everything else, then Limitless is probably the last place that you're going to need to turn to, because they're going to welcome you, they're going to get you the help that you need, and you're going to be able to accomplish your goals.